Hi there guys, this is DJ Tice and this is my Pioneer mixer. My MacBook Pro and my Stanton turntables. I have two, one to my left and one to my right. Okay, and this is my DJM 700. It's a very nice equipment. Okay, and I have two Pioneer CDJ 2000 MK2. Alright, I'll show you this. This is my, I don't know if you guys heard about this, it's a Classics BXR. Okay, Tiesto played this. DJ Pure, the definition track. Okay. Let's try this one here. Let's see how it sounds. Okay. Okay, that's a sample. Okay guys, this is DJ Tice, and you heard the sound of a vinyl, which is a very nice sound. I believe it's compared to a CD. Alright? The sound is amazing, amazing, amazing sound. Let's try this again. I'll put some effects. I love the vinyl. It's very amazing. It's an old school, but still kicking. It sounds just phenomenal. Guys, I'm gonna cut this one to here. Just messing around. Guys, this is DJ Tice. I'm gonna break this track. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, leave a comment down below. Just messing around with my small booth here. This is DJ Tice with my Pioneer and my Stanton and my MacBook Pro mixer. Practice and enjoy. People out there, enjoy life. Life is short. Peace, DJ Tice.